Hi there, welcome to Voice Hub by DataQ, the platform that lets you build AI agents to answer customer calls, book appointment, and handle conversation. Welcome to the first video in the series where we build a complete AI agent for a specific business case. The idea of these videos is to give you an idea of how we think about AI logic and how we build it. Today's case. Today, we have a big sushi restaurant that have an electronic menu. When people come to the restaurant, they view the menu and the option from the iPad device or from their website. When they are in the restaurant, they want someone to help them choose what they want, to understand the dishes, or even suggest what they should take. The AI will have the menu and understand everything in it. So this AI will help them and also take the order of all the items they want, give them the price, and ask whether they will eat in the restaurant or take away. If it's dine-in, it will take the table number they are sitting at to confirm the order. Okay, let's start building the AI agent. We go to the Voice Hub on our account. You can find the Voice Hub link below in the description. We click New Agent, choose Pathway, and write the name just so you can know which one this is. I will name it Sushi Restaurant AI Agent. Write the description, something for you. For example, AI agent to help the customer in the menu and take their order. Now, I will go to the global prompt. I will give it the general rule and instruction. I will tell it, you are an AI voice assistant named Salma. Your role, you are the digital menu assistant for a sushi and Asian restaurant Sakura, and you help guests explore the menu and answer questions about dishes. Tone, friendly, warm, and professional. Keep answers short and direct. Convert number to words before saying them. Pay attention to this one, because if you don't put it, it will pronounce numbers badly, especially prices. Now we go to the knowledge base. We upload the menu. You can add the menu as text, copy it, but make sure it's clear, organized, and understandable, or a PDF file, or a mini website link, or an Excel file, whatever format you have it in. I had mine as an Excel file, so I will upload it and give it a name. Now let's go back and build the workflow. I personally draw by hand how I imagine the conversation will go, just to organize my thoughts and know how to build it faster here. This is just background information, not important, just to tell you how the thinking happens behind the scene. At the starting point, I will write in the prompt. Welcome the customer to the restaurant Sakura and introduce yourself. You are Salma, and ask user how can you help him today. Keep your sentence short and welcoming. Here, I put instruction on what it should say as soon as the call starts. But you can also click here and make it say a specific text. This is the difference between a prompt and text. I will name this step Welcome the User. There is nothing else to add here, so we save it and continue. I will delete the end call node for now and add it later at the end when I need it. Now, I want to add a new step that contains the menu. If the menu or the file you have is a PDF, link, or text, add it to the knowledge base. But if you have it Excel like I do, then here we add a table retrieval node. The type will be different, but what we will do inside it will be the same. I'll double click it to enter and name it menu. Here we choose the file that we added to the knowledge base. In the prompt, I will write, answer user question about the menu. Just answer from the Excel sheet you have. Don't assume anything you don't know. So it doesn't start making things up. You know how sometimes AI hallucination happen? So you can reduce and prevent it within the prompt. When user asks you what is in the menu here, you should guide him through the categories: sushi rolls, etc., etc. My menu have categories, so if the user doesn't know what they want, I want the AI to tell them the categories first, then go into details after they choose what they want to know more about. This depends on how you imagine the conversation flow, because I know if he asks, "What do you have?" it might start listing dishes with prices, so I want it to be clear and show that there are categories first. Then, when user asks about a specific category, tell him the options with a price for each one. If you don't know the answer to anything, just say so. I write this after experience and testing, and trust me, you will need it. Don't tell the customer about the ingredient in each dish unless he asks for. Always offer the price of the dishes when you mention them. The user might want to learn about many items in the menu, so stay here and answer all of his questions until he is ready to make the order. Now we enable the loop for this node because the user will definitely have follow-up questions while asking about the menu. Now I add a new default node for the order. I will name it user order. I will write take the order of everything the user wants to order. They have to be names from the menu. Check if he's ready to proceed with the order or there is more item he wants to add. We need to extract information from this node to record the order. Variable name, order, description, the order user want to make, type, string. We enable the loop. Take the order of the user from the menu exactly as they are in the menu. Keep checking if you want to add more items to the order or is it ready. Now we connect them. From the starting point, we go to the menu node. For the condition, user want to ask about the menu. We also connect from the start to the order node. In the condition, user is ready to make his order. We connect the menu node to the order node. For the condition, user finished asking about the menu and want to order. Inside the menu node, we add a variable name, ready, type, boolean. When user is ready to make his order, return true. If he still need to learn more, return false. Then we go to the advanced setting and add a condition, ready equal true. This way, when the user decides, it goes to the order step. We also connect the order node back to the menu node because a user might start the call by saying he wants to order, then realize he doesn't know what he wants. So for the condition, user want to know what is in the menu or want to ask about something in the menu and the dishes. Now inside the order node, we add another variable, name, user order, type, boolean. If user still want to learn more about the menu and dishes or want to add more item to his order, return false. If his order is ready, that is everything he wants, return true. Now, in advanced setting, we choose user order equal false, so it goes back to the menu. Now we continue the order flow. After collecting the order, we need a confirmation step. Add a default node named confirm the order. For the prompt, confirm the order of the user by naming everything he ordered and total price. Now we connect the order node to the confirm node. For the condition, user has finished ordering, there is everything he wants, now he wants to proceed. In advanced setting, we add order is not empty and add another one, user order equally true. Now we add a node to ask if the order is dine in or takeaway. Name it in or out. For the prompt, ask user if he wants the order for takeaway or to dive in the restaurant. For the variable name, in, type, boolean, return true if the user wants to dine in, return false if the user wanted takeaway. Now we add two nodes. Takeaway, for the prompt, thank the user for making the order, confirm we received it, and inform him about the estimate time. In restaurant, for the prompt, take the table number to confirm the booking, thank him for dining here, and wish him a nice time. For the variable, name, table, type integer. Now we connect them using condition. N equal false, take away, N equal true, in restaurant. Now we add an end node. We will make it global, so the call can end at any time if the user wants to end it. We also connect the end node after takeaway, in restaurant, and even from the menu. Now we choose the AI voice from DQ configs, listen and select what you like. I will choose Lena. I enable multi-language support so the AI can switch languages if the user asks. Save the changes and go back to the workflow. Now we add a default node named switch language. For the prompt, if user wants you to speak English to him, switch to English and don't answer in Arabic in that case. We connect it to the start node with the condition user wants you to switch to English. We also connect it to the menu and order nodes so it continue normally. Let's now test the AI. I will open a call and talk with him and see what's not working and fix it. Okay, so I want to make an order. See, it come here to the order node. Let him tell me about the menu. Okay, it came here. Nice. He tells me about the noodles. Let me take the first one. Can you tell me about the sushi? Okay, I also want the spicy tuna roll and rainbow roll. What desserts do you have? I want cheesecake with them. See how it came here because I gave him what I want and there is no more question in the sentence about the menu. But it's fine because he will ask me if I want anything else. I will try asking it about juices. Okay, that's it, ready. Okay, nice. In the restaurant, 5. Okay, ready, nice. Okay, let's try it now in English. Can you speak English to me? I want to order what is in the menu. Tell me about the noodles. I want the first one. Okay, so it switched to Arabic. Okay, that's not how it should be. Okay, no problem. Let's maybe go to the global prompt and write to it. If user want to switch to English, switch your entire conversation to English and don't switch back to Arabic again. Let's try it again. I will speed this up for you here because I tried it till the end and it worked. It did not go back to Arabic again. So that's it. Actually, I want to put it on the menu widget so users can find it here on the website and they can have conversation with it about the menu. I will go to the widget setting. I will turn it on. Here I will fix what I want. I'll make it avatar. It works. You can choose what you want and I will change the color so it becomes like the menu one. The text under the icon, I don't like it, so I will delete it. And here I see it's small, so I make it bigger. Basically, you can control whatever you want here. I will take this code and put it on my menu code anywhere. Now it becomes ready. So whatever you modify on the AI or the prompt or the widget itself, it changes here by itself. So you don't need to take the code again. But the last thing I will go back and choose is the face of the avatar. So I will upload one and now it's ready on the website right away. Okay, let's test it quickly.
أهلا وسهلا في مطعم ساكورا. أنا سلمى مساعدتك الرقمية لقائمة الطعام. كيف بقدر أخدمك اليوم؟
Hello, good morning. Can you speak English to me?
Good morning. Of course I can speak English. How can I help you today with your order or questions about this Sakura menu?
Actually, I would like to make an order. Can you guide me through the menu?
Great. Please tell me which dishes you would like to order from our menu. If you want, I can also help you with recommendations or details about any dish. Let me know what you'd like to prepare.
Actually, I would like the rainbow roll and also the mixed sashimi later. Okay.
You ordered 1 rainbow roll and 1 mixed sashimi. The total price is 27 dinars. Would you like to add anything else or should I proceed with your order?
I would like also to add the soy sauce and also the matcha cheesecake.
Would you like your order for takeaway or will you be dining in the restaurant?
Dining in the restaurant.
May I please have your table number to confirm your order? Thank you for choosing Sakura and I wish you a wonderful dining experience.
It's sexy.
That's it. You can test its performance and improve it however you want. Also, you can go to the call logs. Here you can find the calls that were made with full analysis for them. I will enter this call here and you can see what happened and what information it extracted. So here you have everything. That's it. If you have any question, write it to me in the comments below. Or if you want us to make an AI for your business case, tell me in the comments and see you in the next video. Bye.